everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to the start of another hands-on new project. I'm finally getting around to starting this build as the weather has picked up lately. This project has been delayed for months, very close to a year. So as you can see, I decided to come to one of my favourite locations to start this project off. So I'm currently sat on the edge of the River Foyle at the Gribben Quay, pier to the left of me at Brady, Northern Ireland.
The river's well in now, it was all dry the last time I was down. You can see right across it. Unbelievable. Somewhat, isn't it? How are you getting on?
Not too bad, how's you?
Not too bad at all.
Nice day.
Someday. Hey, I've never been down here before in my life.
Have you not?
No. That's a sun spot, hey?
Beautiful, isn't it?
It's great. That is great now.
Peaceful down here.
Quiet.
Yeah.
That is classy. That's a sun spot, hey?
Nice for a boat.
Aye, that's it. That is. That's some view. Here, there's something new every day, isn't it? Yeah, there's nowhere better here when there's a bit of sun.
Nice. There's a place down behind Henderson too, nice.
Is there?
I was down here last night to check this out, and I went down to Barn Basin, but I think it's where the boats used to come in.
Right.
Big white part, but there's a gate now, and let's be down. I don't know why, I thought it was public.
There's you know, out the Park Road as well, you know the wee walkway?
Everybody's on. Is that Balmagari?
Aye, Balmagari. If you go out the Park Road, there's a wee walkway, like the old canal. There's an old gate there, you know, and it takes you down. It just takes you probably just around that old bend, you know. It takes you out there. It looks really well too, you know. They've got like a wee structure all built on it for you to drive down up in the evening time, you know.
Oh, I never seen the water that low there up here, right now.
That's what's that,
quite low.
Here, 3 days of sun, hey, we're going on the drought.
Yeah. I tried making a little place to put
So you came down here and like, fuck's sake,
I found something else. I'm down to the picnic. What is the chances of the police coming down here? Do you think I was reported? That's mad. That is mad. We're going now anyway, so I can continue with my videoing. Okay, so the wind has picked up. It has spiked. Hopefully none of this blows into that river. So we're going to talk about, well, all these components, but quickly. We're not going to focus on them too much. So I'm going to start off with this wheel here, you see. So we have two wheels. We have the rear wheel and we have the front wheel. So this front wheel was very difficult to find. So I wanted a wheel to match the rear wheel, which has the motor already built into it. So this motor kit I have selected for this bike has a 3000 watt motor that will be used for the bike trails. So this won't be used for the highway use or the roads, as it's not legal. However, I will be making the bike adaptable for it to be switched from the road, the highway use, to off-road trail mode, beast mode. There's the one going mad now. So the bike's still sitting in the same spot, more or less. And hopefully it doesn't get blown over, because it's quite light at the minute. So the motor used for the road will be much smaller at a legal requirement of 250 watts, running with the 3000. There's everything going to blow in the river. Okay everyone, so the wind has, well, increased a lot, so I am going to pack this stuff up and leave us till another day before it all blows in the river. We already had the helmet box blown in the river, and sadly the bike did blow over. So a couple of parts is damaged on it here, so I'm going to stop this video for another day. Okay, so damage to the gripper here. Sadly, and to this brake lever. So the one came out of nowhere, as you can hear there, just after I finished the introduction. So I'm going to stop this video, I'm going to get these parts replaced, and then I will start doing this again. So that's the only damage to it, there and there, and this pedal too. So I'm just going to order new ones. Annoying, typical Northern Ireland.